Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I by name Shekwonya Atnadu, a student of JPTS institution, DUSE, Abuja Center, with the matric number 65583, study public health 200 level. I want to briefly discuss on the topic altitude. Here with me, here are some key points to discuss on: definition of altitude, type of altitude, example of altitude. What is an altitude? Altitude is a vertical elevation of an object about a surface such as sea, level or land, of planet or natural satellite. Altitude or higher is a distance measurement, usually in the vertical or up direction. For example, Mark's record performance achieved at an altitude greater. Altitude describes the angle between the horizon and some point in the sky. For example, if a star is directly overhead, its altitude is 90 degrees. If a star has just set or just about to rise, it is right at the horizon and has an altitude of 0 degree. Altitude is related to air pressure and can be determined by measuring air pressure with an ultimate. An altitude raises air pressure drop because of two reasons. The first, Earth gravitational pull keep air as close as possible to the surface. Second, the number of molecules in the air decrease as altitude increase, making air less dense. Denser air also is closer because fewer molecules have much less chance to collide with their altitude could be further divided based on the distance from the sea level. Region on the Earth surface or in its atmosphere that are higher above mean sea level are referred to as high altitude. Higher altitude sometimes are defined to begin 8,000 feet above sea level. Higher altitude, a significant portion of the world geography, has above 10,000 feet elevation. Sometimes of this mountainous high altitude land is populated by indigenous people who have over the centuries adapted to this existence. Types of altitude: we have the true altitude, we have the indicator altitude, we have the pressure altitude, we have the absolute altitude, we have this density altitude, and we have encoded altitude. How does altitude affect the body, and why does it affect people differently? Every year, thousands of people travel to high altitude environment for the tourism, adventure seeking, or to train and compete in various sports. Unfortunately, this trip can be marred by the effect on acute altitude sickness, and the symptoms vary from person to person. I still remain by name Shekwonya Atnadu. Thanks.